Hello little friends, today we will learn about farm animals. This is a cow. Moo moo. Cow gives us fresh milk. This is a horse. Nee nee. Horse run fast and help farmers. This is a sheep. Baa baa. Sheep give us soft wool. This is a goat. Goat give us milk and love to climb. This is a duck. Quack quack. Ducks love water. This is a hen. Cluck cluck. Hens lay eggs. This is a rooster. Cock-a-doodle-doo. Rooster wake up the farm. This is a donkey. Hee-haw. Donkeys help carry heavy loads. This is a pig. Oink oink. Pigs love playing in the mud. This is a turkey. Gobble gobble. Turkeys have big feathers. This is a rabbit. Hop hop. Rabbits love to nibble on carrots. Thanks for joining us on this learning videos. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe.